Hi friends, welcome back to Playtime Learning. Today we're going to be learning about sea animals. I just love the ocean, don't you? With the sound of the waves and the seagulls. I can't wait to do these puzzles with you. Let's start with the first puzzle, an octopus. Let's first take the head and put it here so it matches. We know that this part goes right here. Good job. Now this part looks a little trickier with the tentacles. So let's try to match up all of the tentacles and the arms with all of these arms. So let's put this piece right here. Good job. And then we have another piece like this. And let's see, this looks like it matches this shape. And then that just leaves this piece, which goes in the middle. All right, we did it. It's the octopus. Bye, octopus. Let's start with our second puzzle. It's a turtle. So we always want to start with the head. So let's grab this piece and put it right over here. And then let's grab this next piece and try to match up the shapes. So this shape matches this shape right here. So we'll put this right here. And then we want to do the bottom part of the turtle, which is right here. Good job. Let's see. Where will this go? So sometimes you just have to turn around the puzzle piece to see where it can fit. And if we put this right here, we see that this matches as well. That leaves only one piece left. And we can put that right here. We did it! We made the turtle. Bye, turtle. Now let's go to our third puzzle. It's a crab. All right, let's start with the eyes. These eyes are so funny. They're sticking up. Let's put that right in the middle. And let's see. We have one claw right here. And we can put this right here. Perfect. That fits. And let's go ahead and grab the other one and put that right here. And now we just have to do the bottom. So this matches this part of the smile and this shape right here. So we'll put this over here. And then that leaves one piece left. And we can put it right here. And we did it. Good job. We made the crab. Bye, crab. Now let's do our fourth puzzle. It's a dolphin. A dolphin. It's so cute. All right. So first, what we can do is we can start with the head of the dolphin. And there's the nose. And sometimes it helps to go ahead and do the tail. So you do both ends of a puzzle. And then you put the middle piece. Now we have one middle piece. And we put it right here. And we did it. That was an easier one. We made a dolphin. Bye, dolphin. Now we have our fifth puzzle. It's a sea lion. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. So we first want to go ahead and do the head and put that there. And then maybe we can do the fins. So let's put this fin over here so it matches right up here. And then we'll grab this one, this piece. This piece has the same shape as this one right here. So let's see if we can get it to fit. Perfect. And all we have left is the bottom half. And we did it. There's our Sealine. Bye, Sealine. Now we have our sixth and last puzzle. It's a shark. Okay, let's go ahead and do this one. So let's start with the head, as we always do. And then, this piece looks a little complicated. So we can use a trick and start with the tail. Put the tail next. And then, let's see, we want to match these two shapes with these two shapes. So we can move it around and put it in the middle. And we made our shark. Good job. Bye, shark. It was so much fun doing all these sea animal puzzles with you. I can't wait to play with you next time. Bye.